Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook radish leaf. First, choose the freshest leaves you can find, looking for bright green ones without any wilting. Next, give them a good wash under cold water to get rid of any dirt. Finally, trim away any tough stems or parts that don't look so good. This initial preparation is key to a delicious dish, ensuring your leaves are clean and ready for the pan. Blanching is a crucial step for tender radish leaves. Bring a large pot of water to a vigorous boil, adding a pinch of salt. Carefully place the leaves into the boiling water for just 1 to 2 minutes. This quick dip helps soften them. Immediately after, plunge them into an ice bath to halt the cooking and preserve their vibrant color. Then, gently squeeze out any extra water, preparing them for the next stage. Now for the flavor. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite oil, like olive or sesame, in a large skillet over medium heat. Toss in some minced garlic and a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes, letting them cook for about 30 seconds until they smell wonderful. Then, add your blanched and squeezed radish leaves to the pan. Sauté them for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring gently until they are perfectly heated and tender. To finish, season your delicious radish leaves. A dash of soy sauce, a drizzle of sesame oil, and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds work wonderfully. Taste and adjust as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. These versatile greens make a fantastic healthy side dish, or you can mix them into rice for a complete meal. For an extra burst of freshness, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving is a great touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.